Shadow. Shadow. What you doing, good? Oh, play with the puppy. Play with the puppy. Oh, Shadow. He likes lots of loving. Oh, Shadow. He's a good boy. What a good boy. Oh, it's a good boy. Oh, this is so much fun. Oh.
You gonna play Sleepy Dog?
Oh, get it, Shadow. Is that a girlfriend? You got a girlfriend there? Oh, that's boyfriend, sorry. Boyfriend, all boys.
It looks like they're acquainted now.
Oh, yeah, Shadow, who's that? Who's that? Are they playing in the water? This is our dog's first day on the beach.
Oh, really?
He's never been to the beach.
How old?
He's 10 months.
Aww.
Yeah.
My husband thought he was a puppy.
Yeah, 10 months
What
old.
kind?
He's half golden and quarter German Shepherd and quarter border collie. So he's smart as a whip, very affectionate. He's just real sweet with people and dogs. What did you got there, Shadow? Up, up! Oh, Shadow! Oh! What you doing?
Dexter, is Shadow your new friend?
Oh! Got a puppy? Get him, boy. Get him, boy.
What?
Get him, bub.
Same thing you do. Roll in sand once
Oh, of course.
Our other dog is a German Shepherd, so Dexter's used to playing dead dog all the
Oh,
time.
really?
So he doesn't get killed by the big bad German Shepherd.
Well, at least my dog's a little bit smaller, so it won't quite hurt. Oh, that's cute.
It's like Maggie's cat.
Ah.
You having fun now?
Like
you
to
having fun playing
play.
with Shadow?
I can see the kind of the German Shepherd form in the thing.
Yeah.
He's mostly border collie. I don't know what happened to the golden retriever. Oh, rolling in the sand that feels so good on the face. Ugh.
Did you rescue?
He was kind of rescued.